1 year, 8 months, John Dramani Mahama be president Yarano. Woman use 14 billion.
Abuza from Mamu na makwaba e de bagana and Sam TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications. Say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabi na so watch your comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo also TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo also. Ko yin na dream say that chi bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey. The need to Sudan say man we need that chi bia. Na the bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne ye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement. Nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here.
1 year, 8 months, John Dramani Mahama be president Yarano. Woman use $14 billion. Public debt sebi and that's so that one more NDC for you so woman to mean create one job mpo Emma minu mienu nya bi nye next when him say Michael Ewukua oye the hopeful secretary for Ashanti region we creating Juma St John Dramani Mahama Michael Ewuku we creating Juma St John Dramani Mahama oye president what is on prempren ye into 419 na NDC for aba be ye o my Ghana sebi ye hu de be ye o my Ghana mu a youth na ye stranded yi resetting agenda akoye prese kra nen dua ya me no kasa yi ye gigana sketchitri dia ye dia wo youth wo nya so faso yi enti wo da so ka prese
$2 billion aya public debt ni e dia be ka ho no dia na wo ka ho according to lady no or see 1 year 8 months near NDC ye ba power no Ayen Michael Amua Awuku na MPP betimi achechire NDC betimi achechire na ye wo bi a sebi owo adwene na adwene ne so emu da obetimi dia support MPP party no na wo mo ba power wo mo atimi aya adepa e dia mo man Ghana na se eye Michael Amua Awuku kwakogina Asante regional secretary dia then esse MPP delegate for no ehwe na ho ode ne nyansa ne nimdie so na wo mo to aba e de ma no na oba be eye Asante regional secretary simple we ye simple that means MPP for making sure say wo mo to aba ne dia ma eye Michael Amua Awuku mana ba be eye Asante regional secretary e dia ma MPP party no asa eno ana Ghana for ye hwehwe ye pe won o mbetimi abu o man no asa because me nya politician me a social interpret me a social interpret
nyina ye tuane taku sempoa obi akari koko be bag du wakwa ne yama 5 million Satam 31 million sunka 300 and something million ai wakwa ne yama 5 million no de abeto nchene di no asan fa fom ko no akwaji 2 million no de abeto yi kobi sa ya shisika no Ghana ni sei na Ghana ni pe emma Ghana ni me se Ghana ni hu to no wonwene hwe na so ne bere nyina wode ma yese nsem hunu tie ene yese asa wonwene bibia biem na koko ekurani akwaji ni sika otuko no kan yese yesika mu ensi dan ensi hwe eno ase da obema ne de atua ne ba fees no na akwaji abeto dem na da ho uwi a waka chensa wahwe ne ba wonte ne ye wo kanase otom wonte ase first year student ya na esi ebetuo mo kai Your mama by oh sika we ya yede. Ghana ni enim sa nyansa no onuru ho enti eye waste of money on tua. Because oh yeah Ghana ni nkan. Ghana ni won kaya kamu ni opposition. Kofo ba ye cancellation of basic school fees. Mampani kof enkwada na ye do mo dom mo ye adwuma din aburo ma ho odin so. Kofo na be stop we nyina. Ekosi sai ya yere no ma na kwa wo so fa ye kete kokwa ekosi sai free health insurance free maternal health care ekosi sai kokwa akuafo na kofo nwu omumfuo tukwa nyasi akomo omaduro wa fa nipa a ebegu afuo no so kwa yasa to abatu no Ghana ni adwene mienuru kwan na Ghana ni ya Americani na wa hyehyɛ daache de ama no gina ne konso bunukom mia no eno ano no wawie
edemano unya Kamila Al-Hassan ayi teacher ni yo se hwan ya woni akora bi de ba yi o de ne betena ho sopa na wo DJ K unim se atentehu ta woto na wo hwiri treasure unim se atentehu eta woto na wo hwiri treasure onzo obi anka bi ma o DJ K onzo obi anka bi ma sa na wiase ne tie so obi asamba fa we afutuo obi asamba susuka na wonnim de da wanim obi asamba susuka na me me srema wo se ebi mu be defend no wo be defend DJ K sasai enim guase we ya wagu ne ho hey DJ K nya ni pa asem wo ka no okromu a me se me DJ K no minim de ntia me se me kasa wakama asem me wakama asem ya asa ne ye nya nipa asa ye de ne ye mfura busuam ene de wo me se baby awo no ankasa no baby isu no ko fine na faye somebody can catch us say afaye pa enti ne yentimi enka no se de nkese ye ka no ene wu nti Kamila Al-Hassan ocha krom ha chese DJ K na wu ni nyansa se ne hwan wo krom ha so obi ya na ade na wonti ase a memfa ne se nipa ne sabi onim de wo ye wu ni nyansa se ne hwan wo krom ha on say so tam yesi wo platform ne so a ya na memfiu utam me nua ba political babies esi wo platform ne so a on say ya na yemfiu ya na ho yesere ya na video ni ehwe ni say ya ene de ho na ho hye wo no ene wo na ho hye wo no me say Kamila Al-Hassan baby owo bia ne kra ene ne kra ni beba ne ho so ne kra ni beje na explanation be na de beba abonten enra me ye video ba akoma na eno ne part 1 we ye part 2 me twen so obesa ba abonten abekeka obeti aden na mumu bi munya nipa munsusu ha DJ K misise wa we awe nsem a o ka fa me ho DJ K and then na o hye ho no next time ufu akokwa a obefre no alolo ewiase na ho kwa ene ewiase no ensa emmeka wo no yenkoka no ano a emmeka wo no yenkoka no Kamila Al-Hassan video ba wo si obia wo ho kwan se video ba abonti on be kirechiro ma adwene ene wo so de aba ye be kirechirem ye de pen ni paper beto ho na wo kra se won sa anya good unsa anya good
wo de be man ko foforo won fa ma assembly won fa ma sanitation bio anya wa sa sanitation for disika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for won fa anya hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no enya wa sako hwe no sako shi tata nso tonshina baby shi hey who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie hey Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what a pad saga wide we say pad na be ye bibia mo It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher, and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock, and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flights here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
We just say yenim oman issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, e no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana for say me ba we ni we na me yama mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem fata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency. Or might be Timukuburu, or might be a leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA Buru another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, Yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is yen because of time. But those ones yetimi go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact. Yeah, equipping hospitals is not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, "Yeah, hospitals and it goes on and no more say." It is a Kenyan who saying and no man in Abaya. It is a kind of country that was I would to me was oh, I mean, say almost same people for comfort. Name my comfort my sacrifice discard to what the hospitals are most of my comfort. I comfort my facilitator is on the funded free seniors who some my comfort. You see, I ain't gonna for debut. Na fe na tables na tani afi dem mokekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nko ma ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nko ma ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for nko ma ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians nko ma ntu ne nko nyina ho. Market women omo nko ma ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. 2020 dua, then we will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na kasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me you papa, and I feel I'm going to watch them. Me na warning was such a message. Me na me go catch you by John Dramani Mama, so all members come to Mutuana. Yewa. Digitalization, you start to say, yeah, most of the digitalization and talking, it's more peking sika. It's a mamma papa naba, or mamma kinka, and mamma added a mockum. You will come here. And you John Dramani Mama could not and can form Gafun catch up say, oh, Gafun, oh, now they're making him here utilization here. And I got for so can you but Banama boom, 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 much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say dear go your credit menu now to me who let be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now Miss Films, hey, Remona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train, Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no, were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.